This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, May 26th. The information provided on this report is live at various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus 466 to 475. 8 to 900, 512 to 520, 7 to 800, 580 to 610, 6 to 700, 620 to 634, 5 to 600, $7 to 735, 4 to 500, 730 to 795. Heifers 900 plus 427 to 451, 8 to 900, 462 to 492, 7 to 800, 522 to 565, 6 to 700, 537 to 580. 5 to 600, 610 to 690, 4 to 500, 715 to 725, 3 to 400, 730 to $8. Yesterday in Central Alberta, younger to middle-aged cows with good calves at their side traded from $5,300 per pair to $6,750 per pair. Younger bred cows to calve right away traded from $4,600 per head to $5,200 per head. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes smaller than the previous week. Over the past 3 weeks, Alberta Fed prices have been trading at roughly a $13 discount against the U.S. market. Basis levels are weaker than both the 3-year and the 5-year averages. Canfax released its monthly trends report the other day. 850-pound steers and heifers placed in September and October of last year and sold on the cash market in May. On average, feedlot margins were around $75 per head positive. Calves and feeders purchased in May have break-evens in the mid-340s per hundredweight. From a hedgeable standpoint, calves and feeders placed in May were anywhere from $500 to $600 per head offside. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows 255 to 265, D3 cows 229 to 245. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 262 to 272. In the U.S. following the holiday, there is no new trade report. Significant trade will likely be delayed until Thursday or Friday. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around $265 on a live basis. With labor disruptions at one plant impacting production, and on top of that, we're currently in a strong demand period with grilling season underway, one would expect to see higher wholesale beef prices, but that has not been the case. Choice cutout values are currently trading $13 per hundredweight, below the recent highs in March. National Bona cows averaged $335.27 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.52, up 4 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: June 249.22 down 7, August 240.62 up 102, October 231.95 up 122. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.